look at the little angel. I just threw that gun over there. So anyone's wondering, that was. Oh, Junior. Oh no, he's down here. Junior. Junior, you don't wake the crap up. What the F, Kirby? Sleeping. At 11 in the morning? Oh. I'm wondering where your dad went. I haven't been able to find him all day. Well, he went to Oklahoma. Why is he in Oklahoma? Because he's upset that you beat him at the house event, and now you're the HBM Fight Club worldwide champion. Oh yeah, that house event that wasn't on YouTube. Yeah, I kind of beat him. Yeah, and everyone was happy but him, and he kind of threw a big fat tantrum, and he kind of what? Rage quitted, packed all his stuff, threw me in the door and said, "Do not tell Chef Kirby while I'm coming, or else you're gonna get a butt whooping." Oh, okay then. Wait, butt whooping? Nothing. Okay. So why? Oh. So I'm going back to sleep. Bye, Chef Kirby. Wait, what? Junior. Junior. Oh, where is it? Yeah, here it is. Oh, hey, beauty. This. Oh, is it loaded? Oh, yes, it is very loaded. Look. Okay. Yeah, Junior, I got the surprise for you. First person perspective. Junior, I got. You don't wake up. I got the surprise for you. Oh, you aren't waking up then? Well then, if I can get a hold of your sheets. Junior, wake up before I shoot you in the nose. Fine, I'll get up. Yes. Third person perspective. Yes. Oh, dang. So, what's that? Junior, do not touch that. That's a gun. 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 And I'm like, Stop, Junior. Don't you dare. I want to play with it. No, that's a real gun. It has Nerf. That's a Nerf gun. It's still real, though. Nerf guns to us are really dangerous. Kill me. Well, come on, Chef Kirby. What's the bad thing that can happen? You could kill me. I know that, but silly, I can't kill you. Excuse me? Yeah, trust me. I promise I will not kill you. I promise, my heart and soul. Okay, just give me back my gun. No, I want to shoot you with it. You just said you wouldn't kill me. Well, false alarm. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. First person. I still promise I won't shoot you, Chef Kirby. You promise? Yeah, I promise. Okay. Wait, Junior, what are you doing? I missed the trigger. Bye. Well, the doctor said that I was going to get a nose so I can smell stuff like you guys. Yeah. Try me right where I was going. So now it's unperfectional, so now they can't get the nose. And see how funny you look. So now I could pick on you, Junior. Then Then broke a part of my skull, so now I'm not retarded, but it hurts my head to think about something hard like division. Okay, what's 9 divided by 1? Ow, my head. Oh, I'm sorry, and pretty much broken, so I just throw me in the trash. No. Well, I still have my gun shaft, Kirby. Oh, hold on, let me load this. Load it. I can't load it. Why can't they load? Why can't I load this stupid? Give me that. Shaft, Kirby. See, don't know why I brought this in your room in the first place. So why are we even in my room? Because I just, I don't know. Oh, Chef Kirby, I promise I won't shoot you again. I promise, Chef Kirby. Oh no.